You're ready to mix up the traditional dinner in a pumpkin this Halloween. We're here for you. Heidi VanValkenburg's suggestion, serve up edible eyeballs instead. And we are just laughing because we are taking our creepy cues today from like the cutest girl on the block who can't even handle having a skull next to her bread platter, right?
Oh, goodness. You know what? It's a great and a fun idea. So I'm here to share these edible eyeballs. So anyway,
they really are
simple.
Cute. And great for a chili side, great for a soup side.
Yes, and easy, so easy to do. So what we've done is we've done the dinner rolls, and we just let those thaw enough that we can roll these out in a 4-inch circle.
Okay.
So really, and I have these already ready because I want to show you how to finish them off.
Yeah.
So, and then you're just going to take your pepperoni, and you could do, have you seen those little mini pepperonis that you can do for salads? Find them. Yeah,
cute.
so you could do those too if you wanted to. And then you're just going to do your sauce, and then we're going to do those.
We're stuffing the rolls.
We're stuffing the rolls.
Life just got better.
Well, because when you eat that inside, it's got to be like the inside of an eyeball. Okay?
I'm waiting for you to say the word gush, but you haven't yet.
I haven't said
you
gush.
You haven't quite said that yet.
And then you can just do 2 to 3 of these 1/2-inch cubes of mozzarella cheese.
Okay.
And then we're going to top it off with another pepperoni.
Sandwich it in.
Yeah, sandwich it in. And then all you're going to do is you're going to pick up these sides.
Okay.
Thanks, Brooke.
Yep.
And then you're going to just squeeze that to the bottom.
My eyeball, my retina's sticking to the counter. Hold on. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Okay. And then make sure you spray your pan.
Okay.
And then the spray side's going to go down in your muffin tin.
Yeah.
Okay, after you've put that all, sealed those in, you're doing great. And then what we're gonna do is we are gonna bake these at 350 degrees.
Okay.
And they're gonna bake for 15 to 20 minutes. So we didn't let them rise.
Got it.
Okay, we just are gonna go ahead and bake them. Now, I like to brush them with an egg wash because I think it just gives them a nice coating before I bake them.
Makes them nice and golden brown,
It makes those eyeballs just like
what's
this
better than golden brown eyeballs?
Well, we just, you know, we want them to look good. Wouldn't it be that easy? I know you know how hard this is.
You stop short of saying we want them to look appetizing because we are eating eyeballs.
No. So then the trick is when they've baked and they come out and they've cooled enough, you're just going to take your knife and you're just going to turn that in the middle.
Okay.
And that's where we're going to fit our eyeball. Okay. So after we've done that, and then I'm going to do that on this one. And then my eyeball's right there, Brooke, if you want to put the eyeball right there in the middle.
Little green olive?
Yes. Yeah. And just put that down in the center.
Okay.
Okay, and that's going to be, you did better than I did. I made a bigger hole.
I had to widen.
You had to widen my hole?
Yeah.
Okay, widen the hole a little bit while I do this. Thank you. And then we're going to just take like your same pizza sauce that you did, and we're just going to do that down the sides of them. And
I'm laughing because my producer over there is telling me technically it's a pupil. I mean, technically the olive is a pupil. If we want to get technical, it's a pupil.
Okay, that camera needs to come back because I really can't do this.
Come back. She can do it. She can do it.
Down the sides. So you just want to make it not a big blob like I did at the first.
Or you can.
Because this person got hit in a soccer game.
Oh my gosh, Heidi, there's your dark side. A soccer game?
I don't know.
That just came to mind?
I don't know why.
Casualty on the field?
Soccer moms, I don't know.
Funny.
Anyway, and then just decorate that along those. Okay, so this is just one of the many ideas on roadsofbread.com. If this is just, well, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
That needed to be a little bit more daintier than I got it right there. But if that is too much for you, we have witch's fingers for breadsticks. We have these wonderful pumpkins that you can put your chili in, like you were saying, the eyeballs would be good with your sides of chili. So these are pumpkin bread bowls. And so you can make those, and look, they'll do it just exactly like pumpkins. Take the top off and fill those. There's a Halloween dip that's on our website.
Oh, nice.
There's also candy corn pizza, and that is on your website right now because we've done it here before.
Perfect.
And so that's a fun one to look for. So any of these fun Halloween ideas.
Yeah,
I'm sorry I lost it with a little bit of the blood there.
We'll excuse you. Fine. You took us to the dark side of the soccer field.
I didn't mean
but
to.
It's all good. Yeah, the Rhodes website is such a great resource, especially for holidays like this with the fun food ideas. It's one little idea that will make that dinner time special, right?
And the freezer section is so easy to do.
Hey, thank you so much. It looked great.
Okay, thanks.
It looked great. We'll link you from our website too, studio5.ksl.com.